Okay, we're looking at numerical sequences 2 here, right? And we're looking at position to term rule. So how do I get from this line here to this line here? And remember, it's got to be the same rule for everything. So if I look at this, just for argument's sake, if I say, well, how could I get from 1 to 5? What could I add 4? So let's try add 4. Okay, now that's add 4, that's not a problem. This one, however, isn't add 4 because 2 add 4 is 6, not 10, so it can't be that. So I'm going to try something else. Well, what about multiply by 5? So I'll do it in a different colour. Multiply by 5. Well, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. Oh, excellent, 3 times 5 is 50. Brilliant. So the position to term rule for this one is multiply by 5. Okay, now this one's not quite so easy. Right, that could be right. We're going to do the same sort of thing. Is it add 2? Well, 1 add 2 is 3. 2 add 2 is not 8, however, so it can't be that. All right, what about, is it times 3? Well, let's have a look. Is it times 3? Well, 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is... Oh, no, it's not that either. Oh, crumbs. Right, well, I'm a bit stuck now, but hang on. Is this line here... Alright, is it linked in any way to this? This is going up in 5s here. Add 5, add 5, add 5, and this is also going up in 5. So we know that the 5 times table goes up in 5s. So why don't I try by multiplying by 5? Now, if I multiply by 5, I've got to take away 2. So multiply by 5, subtract 2. Does it work? Well, hang on. So times 5 is 3, yeah. 2 times 5 is 10, take away 2 is 8. Excellent, we're looking at a sequence here. So 3 times 5 take away 2, excellent, 13, so it works. So our answer here is multiply by 5, subtract, oh that should be a comma, subtract 2. Right, and actually if you look at it, all of these numbers here in this row are always, okay, if you compare them with the numbers in this row, well this row here, okay, in the second sequence is always 2 less than the one up here. So therefore that would make sense. If this one's multiplied by 5, this one's multiplied by 5, subtract 2 because they're always 2 less.